Ferrari is taking a leap into the future with innovative SPD Smart Auto Glass technology. This technology utilizes nanoparticles within a liquid film to adjust tint with an electrical current. Experience enhanced comfort, visibility, and safety with SPD Auto Glass. Enjoy reduced glare and lower heat buildup for a more pleasant driving experience. By using SPD technology, energy efficiency is significantly improved, decreasing air conditioning needs. This leads to lower fuel consumption and reduced carbon emissions, promoting environmental sustainability. Ferrari's commitment to innovative solutions is evident in their SPD integration. Trust SDR Auto Glass services for all your auto glass repairs and upgrades. Go gold with SDR, leading the way in auto glass repair services.